Hello, it's Saturday the 29th of September. In this video I'm just looking at the latest Lotto result and seeing if I can find any ways in which the winning numbers were outstanding, or in other words predictable, in the last draw. So the last draw was 2375. Machine used was Lancelot and the set of balls used was set 3. Now this is a chart for the Lotto at the moment since the numbers went up to 59, looking at all machines and sets of balls. None of the most outstanding numbers came out in the last draw. So that's what that chart looks like. Now if we narrow it down to just the 2 machines and 4 sets of balls that are in use at the moment, then the chart looks like this. And this is where the winning numbers were on that chart. So if we narrow it down even further, the machine used was Lancelot and set of balls 3. If we do that, then we get this chart. So you can't really see anything on that, but if we look at the full draw history for that machine and set of balls, and it looks like this. And so you can see 39 was sort of close to the edge of the chart. Now if we just look at set of balls number 3, see, none of them were outstanding on that. So not really interesting happened in that draw. So let's just go back to recent history and the 2 machines and 4 sets of balls that they're using at the moment. See what we find when we look at the charts for the individual numbers. Well, it's pretty hard to see anything on that. So if we look at all machines and sets of balls, then now you can see that with number 8, 59 was most overdue. On edit chart for 37 as well. So you can see that the numbers were sort of on the edge of the chart, or near the edge of the chart, when you're looking at the charts for each individual number. So they were kind of on the edge of being due to occur together. You can see number 8's on the edge of the main chart, but apart from that, not very outstanding. Now, my prediction for tonight's draw if we just look at the 2 machines and 4 sets of balls that are in use at the moment, then we've got 52 most overdue, and down here we've got 36 most overdue for its frequency, and we've got 29 most frequent. Now, if we look at a chart for 29, and if we look at all machines and sets of balls, since they went up to 59, that's what that looks like. But I noticed when we're just looking at this chart for these 2 machines and these 4 sets of balls, number 18 stands out as being most overdue for its frequency to occur with 29. Now if we look at a chart for 36, nothing outstanding on that. If we look at full draw history, then we've got number 13 most overdue for its frequency. That's that one there. So maybe that would be a good choice to go with 36. Also, if we look at recent history, all machines and sets of balls, with number 36, then number 40 is most overdue for its frequency, when we look at it that way. So I think I'll choose these numbers for tonight's draw. That concludes this video, and bye for now.